True love is when you can be yourself with someone and they love you for exactly who you are. When someone truly loves you, they won't try to mold you into someone you're not. They won't criticize you for your odds or try to change your personality to suit their preferences. Instead, they'll celebrate your uniqueness and support you in becoming the best version of yourself. That's the magic of true love. It's not about trying to change someone to fit your ideal image of them. It's about embracing every part of them, the good and the bad, and loving them unconditionally. But what happens when someone does try to change you for their own good? It can be incredibly challenging and painful. It might start with subtle hints or suggestions, but eventually, it can escalate into utter criticism and manipulation. You might start to feel like you're not good enough as you are, like you need to change to make the other person happy. But it's important to remember your worth. You deserve to be loved for who you are, not for who someone else wants you to be. It takes courage to stand up for you and say, "This is who I am. Take it or leave it." But in the end, it's worth it. So, if someone tries to change you for their own good, don't accept it. Stand firm in your identity and know that you are worthy of love just as you are. And when you find someone who loves you for exactly who you are, hold on to them tightly, because that kind of love is rare and precious, the kind of love that can truly last a lifetime. And here's the tip: the most important relationship you'll ever have is the one you have with yourself. Embrace your uniqueness, celebrate your odds, and love yourself unconditionally. When you do this, you'll attract the kind of love that you truly deserve, a love that accepts you for exactly who you are. In the next video, I will talk about the psychological impact when someone tries to change you. Stay tuned. If you liked my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.